Are you drowning in paperwork? Wasting hours on manual data entry? It's time for a smarter way to handle documents. Meet ContentSense, an AI-driven solution that extracts critical information from scanned documents and organizes it seamlessly into Google Sheets. Here's how it works. Upload your documents, scan invoices, receipts, or contracts. AI-powered extraction. Our generative AI and intelligent agents read and extract key details in seconds. Auto-organized in Google Sheets, your data is neatly structured and ready for action. Whether you're in finance, healthcare, legal, HR, education, or logistics, ContentSense makes data processing effortless. Save time, reduce errors, and boost productivity with the power of AI. Ready to transform your documents into actionable insights? Try ContentSense today and